Hello friends, welcome to IVMS, your favorite channel to learn how to grow from being a beginner to a pro web developer. So today I'll be doing another Frontend Mentor. It's called the blog preview card. So this is the challenge that I'm making. So you can now see that this is how it looks on desktop view and then on mobile view. So if you go ahead and download the starter code here for free. This is a free challenge. So now I'm inside in my Visual Studio Code editor of choice. This is the Visual Studio Code. This is the best code editor that you can find. So now you can see, let me just show you that something that I want on line 9. You can see that I've linked up to my line 9. I've linked up to my style CSS file. This is the style CSS file that we'll be building. So now let's go inside our index here, HTML file. Now wrap everything inside a main like this one, the main that we have got everything. This is the first main that you will build. So now inside the main, I'm going to add some more. So I'm going to start off by adding an article with article. Then I'm going to create a class name for the article, which I'm going to call card. Then after that, I'm going to create some space to put in my code. Then I'm going to add an image text with a source of assets image installation article. So this is inside the assets folder. That's where we got our image. This is the image that we are collecting inside the assets folder. So now I'm going to come inside my coding. Then I'm going to say put some outtakes that will appear in case the image first. So that is card image. Then let's give a class name for the image called card image. So now after that I'm going to create a section. Then inside the section I'm going to call this section card info. Then I'm going to create some space. Then let's add some span. Then with the span I'm going to give it a class name of category. Then let's give it text learning. So then I'm going to put in some h5 text. Inside the h5 text, I'm going to give them a class name of date. Then let's put some text published 21 December. That's the text that will go inside the h5 text. I'm going to have some h2 text. Then let's give the class name of article title. Then so this is the HTML and CSS foundation. That's the text that we want. Then I'm going to have paragraph text. Let's give them the class name article summary. So this is the text that will go inside. Then I'm going to create another div below the paragraph text. And now let's create some spacing and let's give the div class name of author. Then let's have image text with the source of access /image avatar.web webp. So web. So now I'm going to give an out text that will appear in case the image first load. Then also I'm going to give it the class name author image. Then let's have h5 text. So the h5 text I'm going to give them in class name of author name. So now this is it for that was it for the index file. So let's come in here the view of our progress that we've made so far. Let's go inside our browser, Google Chrome. So this is the progress that we have made. Now you can see that I've got this text. Now I want to center it and create a background. So I need to style everything so that everything looks perfectly. So now let's come inside our CSS file, style CSS file, the one that we created. Okay. Then inside the CSS file, I'm going to start off by styling everything. I'm going to set margin of 0, then padding of 0, and box size and border box. You can see the changes. Then afterwards, I'm going to set a font family of fig tree. Then let's start the main. For the main, I'm going to set the minimum height of 100%. Then let's put on the width of 100%. You can see that is taking up. Then let's have a background color of orange color like. Then display flexi. There you can see we've changed everything. So now I'm going to set a flexi direction of column. Then align items to the center. Then justify content to the center. This will center our solution right at the center of the page. Now I'm going to set a padding of 50 to the top and bottom, then left and right 0. Then let's style the card. If you come inside your index HTML file, you're going to see this is the article card that we are now styling, this one. So come inside it, and for the card I'm going to say background color white, then padding 20, width 90%, maximum width 350 pixels. Come and check the progress that I've made. There you can see our solution is just taking shape. Let me add a border of 1 pixel solid black, border radius 20 pixels, then box shadow, that will get a shadow, and so I'm going to add WebKit and Moz so that everything appears so that the box shadow appears on all different browsers. They can see the box shadow there. So, and you can see some border radius there that you've set up there. So now I'm going to continue to style the card image. This is styling our image. I'm going to give it a width of 100%, border radius 20 pixels. Come and check inside our browser. There you can see the image has now been reduced, and with the border radius on all the corners. Now I'm going to style the category, the category class. There is the category class. This is the span. So come inside your browser and style and set display inline blocks, margin 20 pixels, then 0 to left, top and bottom, then 0 left and right, then background color of, then let's save a padding of 5 pixels and 15 pixels left and right, then font weight of 800, border radius 5 pixels. Come inside your browser and you can check. There you can see the span. You can see the span that you have created there with it. So now I'm going to style the date. For the date, I'm going to say font weight 600, margin bottom 20 pixels. Come inside your, now you can now see that inside this browser I've set up I've styled this date, this text inside this date. So now I'm going to come inside. Let's style the article title. I'm going to give it a font size of 23 pixels, margin 20 pixels. You can see if I come inside, they can see the title is actually changed to match up. So now I'm going to start the article summary. I'm going to set font size 6 pixels and margin bottom 20 pixels. Then color of the text, then font weight 600. Now if I come in, I'm going to start the author. If you come inside your browser and you check, this is where we've got the D for the author. So now I'm going to come inside and to style it. Display flex, align everything to send, then gap of 20 pixels. If you come inside, come and check your browser. They can see we have created a gap and display flex. See, now I'm going to style the author image, the image there. I'm going to set it with 40 pixels. Then I'm going to start the author name. I'm going to give it a font size of 17 pixels. So come inside and check the progress. There you can see how the progress that we have made. So come inside, and if you come inside and you check as per expectations of the desktop view, there you can see this is absolutely a great match. You can see that this image and the end product that we produce here. So this was it for the challenge. If you like my content, remember to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.